Hello, today we'll be comparing Cuisinart coffee maker 12 cup glass carafe automatic hot and iced versus Cuisinart stainless steel coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products and the description. Brewing options, hot and iced model is better. Material belt, stainless steel is better. Brew strength control is tie. Iced coffee feature hot and iced is better. Programmable features is tie. Water reservoir is tie. Keep warm function stainless steel is better. After shut off is tie. Dimensions hot and iced is better. Ease of cleaning hot and iced is better. Carafe type is tie. Price hot and iced is better. Special features hot and iced is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be Cuisinart coffee maker 12 cup glass carafe automatic hot and iced. The link to buy this in the video description.